My name is Shubham Patil. Today's topic is technical topic. Today's topic name is a data type in Java. First of all, we have to understand what is the data type. Data type is the type of the data that can specify the value and size of the data that can be stored in a variable. If we talk about a data type can be defined as data type is the type which defines the type of the data, which type of data it is. In a programming, in a programming, especially in a Java, to define a data type is very important. Without defining a data type, it shows error. For example, if um, uh, if we if we want to declare any variable of any integer type here int integer is a data type. Integer here is a data type. If we want to store any value in the character form, we have to use the data type char. If we store the value true and false, we have the data type like a boolean. They are basically there are two types of the data type, like primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Primitive data type include uh, include boolean, boolean, int, short, long are the example of the primitive data type. No, and second is non-primitive data type. Non-primitive data type include classes, interface, and arrays. They are basically eight data types are boolean, byte, int, short, long, double, float are some of the data type which used during the program and while writing any code. These are the different data types having a different size. For example, uh, the one byte is equal to one one bit is if we talk about the data type having a different sizes. For example, if we talk about the boolean data type, in the boolean types of data type, we store true in the form the data in the form of the true and false. If we talk about in in integer type of data type, we store integer types of the data. Like for example, we want to store any number like 1 2 3 and 2 4 5. So we use a int type of data type. We have to specify without while writing any data, we have to specify the type of that data, which is very important. Without specifying that data type, it shows error because every data type has their specific value and storing capacity of that variable. So data type is the most important factor which used during writing the any code. uh, for example, we want to store any character as a variable, so we use the data type like a char. Char is the data type which have a capacity to store a character. uh, this data type has a different sizes, and it acquire a different because of the different sizes, it acquire a different memory space. So data type is the one of the most important uh, type which is used during overwriting any code. If if we talk about the size of the data type, for example, if we talk about the size of the data type, like boolean store only true and false value. If you talk about a float data type value, in these types of the data type, float store the decimal value. If we write any value in a decimal, it shows that uh, here we use data type of float. And double is also one of the another data type which is used to uh, having a more size and require a more space as compared to the float. So these are all are the data type which are used during or writing any code in Java. Thank you.